welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to add a boost, so when our car passes through it, our car goes faster. So okay, to create that, the first step I'm going to do here is come over here to hierarchy, right click to the object sprite, and I'm gonna choose circle, as our circle is going to be our boost. So I will call this speed up. You might also want to tag it. I will add a tag and I will name it boost. Save it up. Come here to speed up. Here, where is our speed up? Here it is. White point to right 5 so that it's on top of it. Now I would like to add a circle collider. Okay, and be right to click is trigger. Okay, now let's look to our car. Yes. Okay, so now let's open up our... Wait a minute. Let's open up our script. Okay, here is our script. Now we would like to add one serialized field for boost speed. So we write instead of writing like that, I can just copy it up and just copy it here. What's different is instead of move speed equals this, I will write move speed equals 20 F, and in here we'll write 30 float, and in here we want to write boost speed. Boost speed, yes. Okay, so now let's save that up. Come here into Unity. Now if we look into our car, we see here boost speed. Yes, let's go. It has to be 1F, 1 float. Okay, so then we come. Also, I would like to add our script into here. Oh no, we don't need it. Okay, so now let's open up our script. Now, also, we don't need this start. Why do we need it? It's just left in there. So we would like to come over here and write on trigger, enter to D. In front I forgot to write void. Then we come over here, open up our brackets, and brackets we write collider to D. Here we write other, and then we open up our brackets, and in here we write if tag equals boost. Like, you remember we tagged our speed up. Then we open up our brackets again and we write debug dot log. You are fast, man, come on. And add exclamation marks, save it up, come over here to Unity. Of course, I forgot to add here other dot. Save it up, come over here to Unity. Oh, I forgot. No, I didn't forget anything. Oh yeah, I forgot semicolon. Now let's open up our console. Now if you drive through our boost, wait a minute. Oh, we didn't tag it. Let's start again. Also, I would like it to be on 0.5. 0.5 point. Oh, there's no 0.5. Let me put 1. Also, let's change its color a little bit. Something red. No, I would like it to be green, like green boosts. Okay, so now if you pass through it, it should print in console. You're fast, man. Let's look at our. Oh my god, it's not being tagged. Okay, now it's tagged. Now, yes, you're fast, man. Come on. So, okay, guys, this was all for the first part of speeding our car. See you in the next one. Bye bye.